Are you one of those people that makes a New Year's fitness resolution in January, then puts on 20 pounds by February? While we can't do anything for your lack of motivation, we can help you start your day right. With the Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. One of the worst hipster trends of this decade, other than novelty mustaches and overalls, has to be deconstructed food. Let's be honest, it's not gourmet, it's outsourcing the cooking to your customers. So any product that turns several ingredients into a thick, uniform paste gets our tick of approval. Specs and features. Out of the box, the Braun Blender's jug looks a little different than most blenders in its class. The jug has a rounded triangular shape, and Braun says this is to allow faster and finer blending. They call it the Triton Triangular Jug. Inside, 4 German-made stainless steel precision edge blades are spun by a powerful 1600-watt motor for the perfect blend. The easy-to-operate digital display lets you choose up to 6 automated food programs, 3 unique texture settings, and 18 different blending settings. There's even a heating option to instantly transform cold ingredients into a warm soup. Or if it's a smoothie you're craving, the 20-ounce Smoothie2Go bottle replaces the main jug for perfect smoothies or your favorite drink on the go. Simply add your ingredients, blend to your desired texture, add the included lid, and enjoy it on the go. When it comes time to clean up, simply add soap and water and press the Auto Clean button for hassle-free washing. So, what do we like about the Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go? When it comes to blenders, it's generally hit or miss if it's a product that will get constant usage. With the Braun TriForce, its versatility means it stays on the kitchen counter, used almost every single day. From crushing ice to pureeing fruits to blending protein shakes, this thing can do it all. So, what's the downside? With all blenders, they're going to be loud, and the TriForce is no exception. In saying that, it's no louder than the Magic Bullet blender we reviewed back in September. Make sure you check out that video to see which one suits you best. So, what are other people saying about the Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go? Outdoor 32 writes, Pros. My favorite thing about this blender is the clean function. I'm always nervous about cleaning the sharp blades, so this lets me skip that. It works pretty well, but occasionally needs some extra attention on some spots. Eric T. Brown is probably Braun's biggest fan. In his review, he said, I had been using a small Ninja blender for smoothies and protein shakes. It worked, but I never really liked it. The Braun is so much nicer. The fact that I can use it as a regular blender and a smoothie shake blender with the Smoothie2Go option is fantastic. So, what's the verdict? Finally, a blender that's powerful enough to tackle any blending job without having to stop and shake up fruit that's clogged up under the blades. We give this bad boy a perfect 5 out of 5 stars. And our Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Braun TriForce Power Blender with Smoothie2Go, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review, give to you. for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.